5 tips to help you clean quicker. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again, and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. When it comes to home cleaning, you probably prefer to be done with it as quickly as possible. After all, spending an entire weekend doing chores is hardly a good idea. However, it is also not wise to rush through your tasks to provide less than a satisfactory result. There needs to be a golden middle ground, where you deal with your cleaning duties properly without investing a ton of time. It sounds like some imaginary utopia, but the truth is that you can get there. According to professional cleaners, there are certain steps that can significantly boost your cleaning effectiveness, all the while improving the quality of cleaning. Here are a few of them. Tip number 1. Establish a cleaning schedule. One way to boost your cleaning efficiency is to set a specific time of the day, a week, or date of the month to deal with your cleaning chores. By doing that, you can prepare both mentally and physically for cleaning. You can motivate yourself and know that you will not be doing anything else, and you can acquire all of the cleaning solutions and gear needed to deal with the job up front. Make sure you stick to your schedule once you have established it. Tip number 2. Invest in top quality cleaning equipment. Every cleaning job requires the tools to do it. Whether it be the regular cleaning rounds in your house, or a more specialized task, like carpet cleaning for example, you really need some cleaning equipment. Let's discuss carpet cleaning. You have to ensure that dust is removed from deep within the pile. That is only possible with a good enough vacuum cleaner. Lacking a good machine will not lead to a favorable result. Tip number 3. Keep cleaning gear with you. If you want to truly become efficient in cleaning, you should bring all of your cleaning tools on the task. Take this advice from professional cleaners: tote your brushes, cleansers, dusters and everything you need for the job in a tote tray. That way you will be done with every cleaning job much faster, since you will not waste time getting to that under the sink counter to grab whatever tool solution you are missing. Tip number 4. Declutter before cleaning. Another great tip you can use is to do a decluttering session before you start cleaning. Don't ever mistake cleaning with tidying up. They are not one and the same, and you will only make things really difficult if you do them simultaneously. Always invest some time in decluttering first, because this can greatly improve your cleaning speed. Tip number 5. Find the right motivation for you. One of the major points to consider about cleaning is finding the right motivation. Remind yourself why you are doing it: to get the place in a hygienic state and to feel good about entering your room. Furthermore, you can invest in making the chore more manageable, whether by playing your favorite music or turning cleaning into a workout. That way it will be much more